Uy, may tanong ako. Alam mo ba kung ano ang isang global architect?
Hindi din ako familiar. Wait, magtanong tayo kay Jessie. Can we ask you a question?
Do you know what exactly a global architect? Well, simply put, a global architect is someone who designs buildings and structures with a keen understanding of diverse cultures, environments, and technologies, creating spaces that resonate in global scale.
So ikaw, if you want to learn more, watch our vlog.
Sit back, relax, and let's explore the world of architecture
Through the eyes of a true visionary.
Huwag ka pala. Balang bisa ako magbuo. Tara!
Hey guys, welcome to another exciting episode as we take you along on our journey to interview a global architect, exploring his vision, inspiration, and transformative power of architecture on a worldwide scale. Today, we're diving into the world of architecture, innovation, and design as we explore what it takes to shape the skylines of the future. But before that, let me introduce to you my talented team.
At ako naman si Jessica, 22, taga Makabebe pero walang bebe.
Good evening po. Makakasama po natin sa araw na ito ay si Architect Aldrin Marin upang magbahagi sa atin ng kaalaman kung ano at paano maging isang global architect.
Thanks for reaching me out, and I'm glad that you have chosen me for your short interview regarding sa global architect. Well, I hope that I could answer your questions correctly based on my knowledge dito sa abroad. Then I could give you a general knowledge and helpful tips to become a successful architect or a global architect rather if you wish to. So let's jump into the questions.
Architect, ano po ba ang isang global architect?
Wala pa namang definite meaning ang global architect. However, if we think loudly, the global architect, I believe these are the international architects, including the local architects as well, that they are affiliated with international consultants. So, yung mga clients and mga projects nila galing sa iba't ibang panig ng mundo.
Paano po maging isang global architect?
A global architect, it's a little bit complicated. At dadat ka sa butas ng karayom. Kasi maraming requirements at mga membership ang kailangan mong i-obtain. So first of all, you need to graduate architecture, pass the board exam, then apply for a job, for experience perhaps, and helpful tips if you can find a job, yung mga international consultants para magkulong ka ng experience sa mga projects nila na ginagawa sa iba't ibang bansa. So, considering dito sa Middle East, for you to be able to recognize as an architect, so you need to consider the membership. Like in Kuwait, I was a member of Society of Engineers. Sa Qatar, nag-work din ako doon. Nag-take ako ng exam sa Urban Planning Development Authorities. Then, dito naman sa UAE, meron din silang requirements para sa applying for visa. Para may stamp yung ID mo as an architect. So, kailangan mo maging member sa Dubai Society of Engineers. So, lahat ng mga university credentials, diploma, and PRC license mo, dapat yun authenticated.
Anong mga opportunities ang naghihintay sa mga global architects?
Yung opportunities ang mag-aantay along the way lalo na kung patuloy ang mga projects. At the same time, kung i-assign ka ng company sa ibang country, so may experience mo yung travel sa iba't ibang lugar. Another one, yung advantage sa pagiging international global architect, siyempre mas malaki yung sasalurin mo compare sa local architect kasi iba yung rate dito at saka yung standards of living. So, kung marunong kang mag-ipon at medyo magtipid ng konti, makakaipon ka.
Ano po ang mga hakbang na dapat mong gawin upang mapalawak po ang iyong kaalaman bilang isang global architect?
Sa nalalaman mo. So you need to improve yourself, your knowledge. So merong tinatawag silang CPD or Continuing Professional Development. So mag-attend ka sa mga seminars, mga product presentation. At the same time, kung pwede kang mag-aral ng ibang short lessons para ma-enhance yung knowledge mo. Like for example, pwede kang mag-masteral, mas advantage yun kasi ibang title yun, ma-add yun sa pangalan mo. In my opinion, worth it para sa akin. Kasi since 2000, nag-work na ako sa abroad. Kaya masasabi kong okay siya para sa akin. Marami akong privilege at mga opportunities na na-encounter. At the same time, na-improve yung life ko. Nakapag-ipon naman ako kahit paano. So, okay siya. I mean, kung paatihin mo at kaya mo maging isang independent, bubuhay mag-isa, well, yun, ang global architect is for you.
Ano po ang maipapayo niyo sa mga nagnanais maging isang global architect?
Nais maging isang global or international architect, well, simple lang. Pag-aral kayo ng mabuti. Sa lahat ng mga tinuturo sa school, absorb nyo yan. So, lahat ng yan is training ground towards the next level. So, don't miss all the chances, please. It's really, really important. Pagdating nyo sa next level naman, don't miss taking the board exam. It's really, really, really important. Okay? Ticket nyo yan para maging isang global architect. Katulad ng mga previous kong sinabi, marami silang requirements. Isa yan sa kailangan nila. At the same time, kung makakapagtrabaho kayo sa mga international firms, mas advantage yun. Kasi yung mga projects at experience ninyo is para na rin kayong makapagtrabaho sa ibang bansa. Well, isa pa, take all the opportunities na makapag-aral ng extra knowledge. Like for example, knowing all the applications or apps like CAD and Revit and things like that na tools para sa pag-drawing at building information as well. Revit is really important. So right now, yan ang ginagamit natin sa project. Lahat ng mga big projects namin, BIM or BIM Information Management or gamit namin is Revit. Then, you need to improve yourself. Huwag kayong mag-stop kung ano yung nalalaman nyo lang. Stepping out of your comfort zone. So, good luck sa inyo and I hope you could meet your goals and dreams. I am Aldrin Po Marin, Filipino architect, global architect. Mabuhay!
And that concludes our vlog tackling how to become a global architect. We hope that you take this info in mind. And also, we would like to give thanks to Architect Aldrin Marin for sharing his expertise with us today. It's been truly enlightening.
And to our viewers, if you have any questions or want to learn more, feel free to drop them in the comments below.
So don't forget to like and subscribe for more insightful interviews.
Isang tropiko